Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pudding pie. First, let's prepare our pie crust. You can use a store-bought crust to save time, or make one from scratch. Blind bake your crust at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until it's lightly golden. This step prevents a soggy bottom. Once baked, let the crust cool completely on a wire rack before moving on to the next step. Now, let's create our creamy pudding filling. For a quick and easy option, grab 2 packages of instant pudding mix, any flavor you like. In a large bowl, whisk the 2 packages of pudding mix with 4 cups of very cold milk. Continue to whisk vigorously for about 2 minutes. You'll notice the mixture starting to thicken as you stir, becoming rich and smooth, perfect for your pie. With your crust cooled and your pudding thickened, it's time to assemble our pie. Carefully pour the prepared pudding mixture directly into your cooled pie crust. Use a spatula to gently spread the pudding evenly across the crust, ensuring a smooth and appealing surface. This step is crucial for presentation. Once filled, place the pie in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours to allow it to set completely and firm up. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and serving. Once your pudding pie is thoroughly chilled and set, you can top it with a generous layer of freshly whipped cream or a fluffy meringue. For extra flair, consider adding some fresh berries, chocolate shavings, or colorful sprinkles. Slice your beautiful, homemade pudding pie into 8 generous servings and enjoy this delightful dessert with family and friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.